Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Check Uconnect firmware and your Android version because mismatches break mirroring. Next, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on the phone. Uconnect often uses both for pairing and data handoff. Plug in a high-quality USB-C or USB cable if you plan to mirror wired. This reduces latency and grants full control. Once done, put the Uconnect system into phone or Android Auto mode and choose Add Device, so the head unit can discover your phone and initiate pairing. You now pair and set up the app layer. Accept the Bluetooth pairing prompts on both the phone and Uconnect, and make sure to allow contacts and media access so audio and controls work. Then open Android Auto or the Mirror Link app on your phone, grant location, microphone, and notification permissions so the system can route navigation and voice commands. If you're using USB, select the correct USB mode, like Android Auto or MTP on the phone, so the head unit recognizes the phone for full mirroring and control. Finish by testing. Open navigation, play audio, and try touch or steering wheel controls to confirm the mirror is responsive. If something fails, reboot the phone and the Uconnect head unit, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and try a different USB port or cable because many problems trace to flaky connections. Make sure Android Auto isn't restricted by battery optimization and that all required permissions remain granted. If issues continue, update phone and head unit software. Persistent failures often resolve after firmware and app updates.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.